Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you quickly how to add your friends on Discord. So let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do is go to direct messages and to friends. After you have done that, you probably want to go to add friend. Now if you're on mobile, everything here is pretty much the same, but the only different thing is you can scan a QR code from your friend, and that's pretty much just an easier option. But right here, what you need is a username from your friend and their Discord tag. It's right here, hashtag and 4 numbers. So when you have that, you just type it here and send friend request. Be careful, it's very case sensitive. Now, if you want to share your username and Discord tag with a friend, you can also just do that. Your username and your tag is right down here, and just tell it to a friend and he can do the same thing here, and then his request you'll see right here in pending. Now I hope this short tutorial helped you. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, ask down below in the comment section, and if you want more tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.